Hello and good day to my lovely viewers. Welcome to ANJUDEV Vlogs. Today's vlog is all about hair curling and hair care routine at home. My friends generally ask me whether I've done perming, how did you get the curls, etc. So the answer to all those questions is here in today's vlog. Going to the steps of my hair care routine and hair curling at home. Before that, let me tell you what is the shampoo I use, how I keep it moisturized, everything I'll let you know. This is the shampoo which I use from Arata brand. This is specially for curly girl approved. So this is for advanced curl care. So this is the shampoo which I use. This shampoo provides good moisturization for your hairs. Because if you have a curly hair, there is a tendency to go towards extreme dry texture. So it's better to go for some moisturizing shampoo. And this is not a paid promotion or anything. I'm just saying what I experience and what I do for my hair. And make sure when you apply shampoo, apply onto your scalp and not onto your hair. So that's what I follow. After that, instead of conditioner, I normally use a hair care pack because that is what I feel is more comfortable and it make your hair anti-frizz. So this is what I use, Herbal Professional Care. This is a new product which I started using recently. So before that I used to use Plum, then Mama Earth. So these two are also good products. So you can go for any of your favorite, whichever you are comfortable with and whichever you feel is more economical. And this is a 500 ml pack. So it has enough quantity. So I usually go for this from the recent times. And one more thing which you have to be careful is that do not apply the hair mask on your scalp. I normally apply it only on the hair, and sometimes I use it like a conditioner, and sometimes I keep it for longer duration, kind of a hair mask. So everything depends on the time which is really available for me on that particular day whenever I go for a hair wash. I'm ready. I took a hair wash and came. So before going for hair wash, you have to detangle your hair properly. Then only you get a defined curl. So this is the brush which I use for detangling. You can go for even better brush if you have, which has enough spacing in between. This is how my hair is looking after hair wash. It is not on the super straight part and not on the super curly part. So it comes in between, kind of waves everywhere. And I used to do GK, which is called global keratin, which used to be called as year to year GK, which is global keratin only for the top part, which is a crown area. So there I used to do global keratin so that the waves used to remain intact, but here it used to be super straight and it used to look really great and bouncy. So that is how I used to do before. But later I started liking the curly hair definitions. So I started keeping it curly. How I did that, I'm going to explain to you. So once you're done with your hair wash, remove all the excessive water, but it should remain wet. Then only these things will work out good, okay? So don't make your hair dry, keep it wet. Then go for this main product, which is the Arata Curly Hair Cream. So this cream is really good because it is kind of a after conditioner, I can say, after hair wash conditioner. So I generally apply a excessive amount of this cream onto my hair. So I'll show you how I apply that. I usually take a generous amount of this cream onto my hand and then I apply to my hair. You can see how I apply. I just pat onto my hair. After that, I will scrunch my hair so that it provides a defined curl. See, this is how you have to do. You have to be scrunching your hair. The longer the duration of scrunching, you get more defined curls. Again, you can take enough amount of this cream and apply onto the remaining hair. Do the scrunching, repeat it for the entire hair. Also, leave your hair forward. From there also you have to do the same step so that you will get the curls around the entire hair. Depending upon your time, you can do it faster as well. You need not do so much of scrunching. So if you are in a hurry and all, you can even do it for 5-6 minutes and then you can run for your daily work. So this is what I generally do for getting defined curls, and if you're going for any function, that's what I usually do, or daily also you can try this. This is another one which is a gel, curly hair gel. If you apply this, you will get more curls, in the sense the curls will be even more defined. So this is what I do when I go for some function or some shoot or something. So that time I take this gel also and then I do the same thing. I will pat onto my hair and then I will do the scrunching. You can hear a sound, right? If it is wet, even more wet, you can hear the sound more, which means you will get the curl easier. So that is another tip. If you have more water on your hair, then you will get better curls. I don't apply gel daily because it has a tendency to make your hair dry. That's why I don't use it daily. But whenever there is a function, I generally try to use the gel as well. After scrunching, I usually don't use any hair dryer. I leave it for natural drying. So if you want, you can use a hair dryer diffuser, because that is better than a normal dryer, so that it will hold on your curls properly. So try to use hair dryer diffuser if you have one at your place. Dears, so I'm almost done with the hair curling at home. Now, because I don't get much time every day and sometimes my hair do not behave properly, so at that times I find it really difficult to do this at home. So because I'm working and I have to do my household stuff as well, I now decided to go for a perming, and so that I can give you guys also the details on how to do perming and all those things, and how was the experience, and later how my hair behaved and all, I can really share it with you guys. So I thought I will take a video out of whatever perming I'm going to do today. I will leave the details of all the products used in the description box and on the screen. Hope you guys enjoyed my hair care routine and watching how I do hair perming at home. I've tried to share as much as details as I know. So please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if not done yet. If you have any queries, please do comment in the comment box. I will definitely reply to those. I believe this was an informative video, so please do share with your friends. Now it's time for me to go to a salon and get hair perming done.